helicopter is to transport people safely from the onshore to the offshore. These are some of the most remote, some of the most inhospitable areas of the world. It's frequent fog, heavy ice, and sometimes also quite bad weather.
Gazprom have a big experience for the helicopter, and we hope that we will satisfy all your requirements in the future.
My target, Leonardo target, and all of you, I'm sure, is to operate, to flying a helicopter with the highest safety level as we can. Thank you very much to all of you. And one thing, I have the key.